These are the best hair extensions I've ever tried.
Yeah.
It's Jen of all trades. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. Today, let's talk hair extensions. Okay, so this is not a sponsored video, but the company did reach out to me and send me these amazing extensions. So I have been trying them out for the last week or so, wearing them, getting used to them, seeing how they wear and work. And I wanted to give you guys a real in-depth view of how these work. Are they worth it? What can they do? What can't they do? All the details. So let's go. All right, so to start out, I want to show you, this is what they look like when you get them in the mail. They come in this beautiful box. Oh, the company, I guess it would help if I told you that. This is Irresistible Me hair extensions. And yes, it's backwards, I'm aware. These are the royal clip-ins. So once you take them out of the box, this is what it is, or at least this is how I got it. So this is a really cool thing. So I went ahead and did put them, I have been wearing them, but I put them back in the package like this so you could see how they come in the mail. These are the royal, these are 20 inches long, and this is the white blonde. So the cool thing about it is, if you look, this is divided into two pouches, okay? So this pouch, it says, open this side first, please read. Make sure you read. So it says, this piece is packaged separately to give you a better look at the shade and length without opening the full set. Do not use it unless certain you want to keep these extensions. Please do not clip this piece in your hair or use any heat tools or styling products. It must remain in perfect condition in case of a return or exchange. So basically, they give you this extra little piece right here. This is a 2-clip weft, okay? And they give you this to try it out, test it out with your hair and see, does it match your hair? Is this going to work for you? If it does not, they do have a full return policy or exchange. Like, how cool is that? No issues, no problems. Exchange it for whatever color works for you. So you do have the option to try that, okay? So again, these are the white blonde. We're gonna get into the actual extensions in 1 second, but I do wanna show you, this is what the color looks like. This is my only downfall, okay, is that I've seen, because these are amazing, is that the white blonde, as you can see, my hair is white blonde, and these are definitely a golden blonde. They're not white blonde like I was thinking, but of course you can tone them. So the cool thing, the great thing, these are this is actual human hair. It's not some bull crap on Amazon, you know, mixed, you know, just nasty plastic. It's real hair. It can be heat styled. It can be colored. You can basically do everything to this that you would with your normal hair. So that is awesome. I have gotten extensions in the past, and they claim to be human hair, but they really weren't. I mean, they had dark streaks all in it, and it was just not cute. These are beautiful. I mean, solid, beautiful all the way through. I did get the 20-inch. Now, when I was speaking to her about getting these, it was before I cut my hair. So I recently, if you saw my last video, if you didn't, right there, go check it out. I cut my hair, I should say my husband cut my hair, and we chopped off like 4 inches. Like, I wasn't planning on it, but we chopped off 4 inches of my hair. So these were going to match. And I mean, the length, it would have blended in great. So now I have to wait for it to grow out a little bit and to get the ends into like a little bit more of a worn thing, so they're not perfectly straight across. And then these are gonna blend great. But let's go ahead and get these in my hair. I really wanna show you what they look like. They do come with this seal right here also, which is like their seal of these haven't been used. So I went ahead and stuck that back on there too. And then they come in a hairnet thing. All right, so in each set, this is, I believe, It's 200 grams of hair. Yes, 200 grams of hair, which this is super thick and beautiful, and it's great, especially if you have thin hair, you just want length, you want thickness. This is going to be the best thing for you. So these come with, you have two single clip pieces right here. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 of the 2 clip wefts, and these are the 2 clip ones right here. So you get 4 of those, and then you get 2 of the 3 clipped wefts, 2 of these, and the great one. This is what they're known for. This is what everybody wants, and she did tell me that they are selling this individually on their website as well. So if you do not want the whole entire set, you can just get this if you just want a little bit of extra in the back. So this is super thick. This is a 4 clip weft, and as you can see, it's very, very thick. The thickness of the actual hair right here. This is mini wefts sewn together. Probably, I think, like 4 of them. There's a lot of hair. This is a heavy, heavy piece. Just this one will make a mass difference in your hair. So I'm going to show you now. This isn't really a video. I don't want to go too in depth on how to put in hair extensions. If you guys do want that, then I can make a whole separate video. I have one in the past. It's kind of old now, but if you do want an updated how to put in hair extensions video, just let me know and in the comments, and I'll be happy to do that for you. But I'm just gonna briefly go over how I put these in my hair. Oh, and before I do that, before I take off my lovely hat, do you see? This is my witch hat. And if you want one for yourself, this is the modern day witch hat. You can wear it anywhere. It's kind of like a thick knitted kind of material. And I will leave a link below if you want to get one of yours in my shop, the Happy Cauldron. So I will leave that below. We will talk more about that in another video. So to begin, what you do is you want to put it, basically I layer them starting from the bottom all the way up. So for the bottom piece, you actually can, you have the option, and some people will tell you to do this, to roll your hair up so that no one sees the bottom hair, so it kind of blends in better, but I don't really care about that. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna open all of your clips, and you also can tease it. This is for demonstration purposes, so I'm not too worried about it staying in there very long. But let's go ahead and put these in my hair. I also did want to mention that I did straighten my hair before the beginning of this video so that it would also blend a little bit better. So this is what they look like. They are in. Now, I'm not a professional. I really have no idea what I'm doing. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to tell you now, it does not blend like at all. But I need to tone these, and I also need to wait for my hair to grow out a little bit more so that it will be blended better. But in the meantime, this is what it looks like. And you can see, I think you can see, since I really don't know what I'm doing, you can curl them, which I think would help blend it a little bit better. That would make it a little bit more so you couldn't really see it. And then, as always, with any wigs or anything, if you're worried about anyone seeing anything, you can always wear a hat. I love these so much. And they actually, even though they're not the white blonde that I was expecting, they really do kind of match my hair pretty freaking good. Aside from the purple tones in it, you really can't tell. Especially from the front. Well, there you can see, but you know. It's just something to practice on. So as far as dyeing this beautiful hair, just make sure that you do wash it or wear it a little bit to get all the oils out that come with storing it before you color it. And always do a strand test to see how it will color before adding dyes to it. And they were so nice. If you guys want to get your own, they gave me a code for 20% off your first order, 20% off. I do have a link below. If you guys want to go check it out, they do start at $69. They have a large selection. The classic clip-ins and the royal clip-ins and multiple colors for everybody. I do just want to say that the 20% off discount code that was given to me does only work on regular price items, so you will either get the sale price or you will get the regular price. So just keep that in mind when you are shopping. They also have hair tools like straighteners and blow dryers, and everything that you need for your hair is on this site. So go get your extensions in the link below, and also your cool witchy hat, and along with lots of other stuff. Go check it out and see what's on there. And I just want to say thank you to Irresistible Me for sending these to me. I am so excited to wear them. These are the first set of extensions that I have ever gotten that I actually wear and enjoy wearing out. I've never had any that I was comfortable enough wearing because they were doo-doo. The quality was not there. These are very high quality. I definitely recommend them. So thank you guys. And I hope you guys, to my viewers, I hope you like the video. Give it a thumbs up. Give the algorithm that little boost so more people can see it. And if you're not already, what are you doing with your life? Subscribe for more awesome videos. And I'll see you guys on my next one for some more hair coloring fun. Okay, bye.